Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Birdie alarm. You're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to need 2 of the 2032 batteries. And I'm going to be using this guitar pick as well. You can get all of this off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. First thing you want to do is take your guitar pick, and there's a little indentation right here, and you're just going to want to push and twist, and it will come apart. It can be pretty stiff the first time you do it. Next, there are 2 Phillips head screws right here. You want to take these out, get them loose them. And there are your 2 dead batteries. Go ahead and take your guitar pick or your screwdriver, push those out. Make sure you place both of your replacement batteries positive side facing upward, just like that. Go ahead and reverse the process like this. Put your 2 screws in. Okay, now you've got your 2 screws in and your fresh batteries in. Go ahead and line the case up, give it a good squeeze, and you're back in business. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.